Yeah.
I want to call out Jerry Amilo. Jerry Amilo just posted a video of Junior Pope's corpse with cotton wools in his nose. Such a very senseless man. I used to respect Jerry Amilo. I used to have so much respect for Jerry Amilo. Jerry Amilo, I am disappointed in you. Why would you post such a thing? Why? For waiting for comment, for you to have traffic on your Facebook. You took a video of your friend, of your junior colleague, lying dead with cotton wool in his nose. You made a video, watermarked the video and posted because your Facebook is monetized, Abi. You're posting content. You're using your junior colleagues' corpse to create content. Jerry Amilo. You see, not be every elder gets sense. I don't call out people like this. I don't. I stay on my lane. But Jerry Amilo, you're a colossal failure. You're a total failure. You're a stupid man for you to have done a thing like this. Like they say, the internet does not forget. Do you know how the children of this man will feel growing up, seeing the corpse of their father all over the internet, the lifeless body of their father all over the internet? You see, it pain me. It pain me. It pain me. You know, go understand they can't suffer. You know, go understand how we don't struggle. You don't go understand. Nobody go understand. Why would it be now? Why will it be now that the rainy days are over? Why will it be now? And I don't go understand what we don't go through. You know, it's all good. I just pray that his soul rest in peace.
Yeah. Good day, everyone. I'm actually doing this video because my attention has been called by, lovely fans who have been following me for a long time, fans who has been there with me through thick and thin, concerning the post that I did concerning Junior Pope's demise. First, I want to say that those who know me knows that I don't chase clout. I do not chase clout. It's only a pity that the post has to, to get to people the way it got to people. And it was as a result of the stress that we passed through yesterday. We were in that hospital till 1 a.m., trying to make things, work things out, only without that sadness and everything. And people calling, asking different questions, trying to find out if he has passed away or if he's still living, the confusion in the social media. And, with all that, my phone kept ringing and ringing, sadness and everything. I had to do that post. I had to post that video. That somebody they made of me. My intention was never to chase any clout. And today I won't begin chase clout. My people, those who know me, what I won't chase clout for? I come all the way. I've been there since. What I want to begin to find again. It was just to clear that air. But some people are beginning to use that video now to chase clout, because that's what is happening. I noticed some of my colleagues who are come online, like, what's his name again? I don't know, the one with the America. Don't forget his name. Coming to tell me things. You're using me and Junior Pope to chase clout. Because the post I made, before I was on my way, I was traveling. I was already in the flight. When I landed, the moment people started calling me, and the moment I saw it, I pulled it off. My intention was never, I want to say this categorically, my people. My intention was never to chase clout. And God knows that people who know me knows I don't chase clout. I'm a realist. That post, if he hurt people, I am sorry. But it was just to clear the air that people should understand that we have lost a big one. That we lost a very big one, a very sad one. You won't understand. People don't really understand what we have gone through. You understand? But because of that post, a lot of good friends, good fans has called me and tell me, Jerry, we know you. We know you very well. You know they do like this. I didn't do that to gain anything. And if it has hurt anybody, I sincerely apologize. But to those who they take and chase clout now, I just a laugh on her. I just a laugh on her. This is my brother way day outside. I don't want to tell you anything. I don't want to mention your name either. But you had the guts. You have my phone number. Did you call me? Now they take me, they chase clout. Brother, if people don't forget you for social media, don't take me chase clout. As for what happened, we are deeply hurt. We have lost.
Yeah, Charlie, but the Junior Pope situation, it made me rethink, bro. I mean, I'm talking about the Nigerian actor who, I don't know, man, if he's actually dead, then may his soul rest in peace. Bro, it took my mind back to all the risk we take just to entertain our fans. Shall I remember back when we were shooting the video for my song, One Love featuring Adina. Bro, I stood on this small boat, whatever, canoe or whatever. We went so far on the river and I was standing on it. Bro, oh my God. We went so far, we shot, we would do this take, that take, this take. And here's a Kumasi boy who doesn't know how to swim. Charlie, what if I fell in that river? One small move and it would all have been over, bro. I don't think I'm doing that again, bro. I'm not going back to that road no more. On the real, like, because there are lots of things we do just to make it look good, you know, on camera. We don't want to wear a life jacket and all that. Next time, if I'm ever trying anything like that, bro, putting my life jacket on. On the real, even Castro Mukra, they know how to swim, bruh. We are still not sure about a lot of things, you know, so yeah, that's all I gotta say. Lessons learned.
I beg, no vex, yeah? Yeah, bros? Don't leave me there, bro, no vex. Over in the love. Don't leave me there, bro, no. Don't leave me there, bro. I got 3 children, I be go raise them. I got 3 children, I be go raise them. Bros, I beg. Oh, Jesus, what is this? Bros, I beg, I beg. I beg. I got 3 children, I be go raise them. I beg, take a small spot. Don't like, this is a risk. Swag Nation, see the risk we take. It's okay like this, I beg. Don't speak. See the risk we take, people, to entertain you. Live on direct on River Niger. Whoa, whoa. Oh, whoa. This one that they hit under. You don't go boss, Abi. Swag Nation, the lie. Oh, but my test I don't come out, though. I'm not joking. The risk we take to entertain you. I am begging the captain that I'm the only child and I have 3 boys. I will raise them. Yes, so Captain, God bless you. He don't come down with the speed. Yeah, no. This is